Want to start with the market internals, and then we'll go over the trades of the day for the all strategy access setups, 50K, 100K portfolio, 200K, and let's look here at the advancers and decliners. The advanced decline line, let me expand that out again. We had seen it beaten down pretty hard from this point right here. So let me get the pin out and show you where that is. So the advanced decline line was up here in this range mostly, and then it trended down. And then yesterday it popped up, and then today, boom, back down. But the market, you see, trended higher today. Overall, wild chop, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, just all over the place. And so, but the market internals, advanced decline line minus 21.27. The high on the day on the advanced decline line was minus 940. You had a minus level. The high on the advanced decline line was nearly minus 1,000. So that, to me, overall broader market is bearish, and you get this fighting in the indexes, just a fight against that, and it creates massive chop. And so we saw that chop today. Let's go over the trades on the day. Tick count trend did a pretty good job of taking the counter trend trades today. Such a sloppy system. It's a sloppy market, though. You see short trade, stopped out, short trade, stopped out, short here, and floating higher. Tomorrow's a Friday. Wouldn't be surprised if the market just floats to new highs tomorrow with all the energy from the bulls coming in, the liquidity on the sidelines coming in. Tick pulse got burnt on a short here. Market was rallied, and then it rolled over like it should, and then bam, it popped higher with the liquidity. Stopped out on tick pulse. 60-minute breakout. The long trade did well, plus 1950. Two of these. This is the highlight of the day. So very trendy strategy here. Early on in the session, the night session as well, catching 1950 while tick count trend took the counter trend trade, and then adaptive moving average chopped up. Minus 37.25. Cobra 3 fast profit target on the profit target version. So if you're trading the profit target version, doing well the last three trades. Just a quick profit plus 575. The non-profit target version was stopped out minus 625. And night trader stopped out on this nightly sell-off 2 nights in a row. That hurts pretty good on night trader. Minus 1525. Those are the ES1 trades. I'm also going back, trying to get all the latest updated performance summary, starting with SR CounterTrend 2 V2M. It doesn't trade much, but just take a look. This hadn't traded lately. This is a strategy report with slippage and commission 107.30. Just a side note of how this equity curve looks. Very selective strategy. Let's go to ES2. Tick fader, minus 625. VSD, long only, minus 1150. Market's rallying and then rolling over, rallying, then rolling over. So these types of strategies can get burnt. Gap continuation in reverse. It's been a frustrating strategy to trade. Made a comeback today, up a little on the day. We had 2 losers on Tuesday, 1 loser yesterday, lost again today. This is our 4th loser in a row. Pretty extreme. And then the 5th trade is a big winning trade. This trade is a big winner. It's making up for this loser. So on the day, it's not big, but it's a comeback. It's a victory of sorts to turn this around, turn this strategy around towards the plus side. And VIX OC let us down, minus 1,025. All strategy access NQ, Cobra 3 just got caught up in this massive. This market should roll over, but the liquidity just drives it higher against the underlying trend, and we got blown out pretty quick, minus 625 on the profit target and non-profit target version. QS3, nice trade, plus 875. Today was it was a dip buying day. The dip buying strategies, breakout strategies, had the opportunity to do well today. Tick pulse, V12 in Q, minus 1250. Tick count trend in Q, minus 630 on the day. And in Q2, 60-minute breakout A, minus 1,050. 60-minute breakout B, plus 1525. VSD long only, plus 160. VSD long short, minus 2,000. EVP1 had a nice trade, plus 1655, trailing stop. And Cobra 3, big stop loss, also lost today, minus 1225. And lately, the opposite of Cobra 3 is working, especially on the Nasdaq, as it fights its trend. Let's take a look now at Viper 2008 plus 1550 on the day. 2 winners, nice trading there. Exhaust in reverse minus 1575. Crude oil, no trades at all. This is an interesting market, how we have such a wild stock index market, and then we turn around and get no trades in crude oil, no trades in natural gas, and no trades in RBOB. And then we get 1 trade in gold. We have a missing chart here. Let me reload that. So here is the gold chart reloaded, and you see the Cobra Gold strategy was the one that was missing. Sometimes you have to reload those workspaces if you're loading a lot of charts. And so just this 1 trade, Asia Gold 4 and Asia Gold 4 2020, minus 1,025, choppy, a bit of a choppy gold market. Disappointing to see the market. To get long gold, the trend is up, we get long, and boom, it slams us on this bar and then rallies. And so it did come back down to these levels once again. So gold is a little bit choppy. It doesn't look choppy on this chart because of this big move here. Over $100 in about 24 hours on August the 8th. So one of the things in crude oil, let me go back to crude oil, is we have rollover day. I need to roll these over. I'm going to roll these over and come back to it, to CLV, October crude oil. Now here is pending data. Pending data went away. So I'm going to go format symbol and close, and it's going to reload. Always want to make sure you do that on rollover. So there it is. I'm going to update the rest of these. So here it is. I've updated on my research platform. Crude oil, again, no trades today. Let's go back to where we were. We were in gold, and now we're in silver. We have no trades in silver. 1 trade in copper plus 312.50. Very slow day in the commodities markets. We have euro minus 193.75 and soybeans, no trade. So not a lot of trading in the commodity markets. There were none in the energies. No trades in the only 1 trade in the metals in the portfolios, Asia Gold 4 2020, and then no soybeans trades, and then just a lot of trade in the wild stock indexes. So those are the trades. We track over 120 strategies, old and optional. We are in drawdowns right now, so we're in steepish drawdowns towards worst case drawdown levels. We are looking for a bounce here. This it's unusual for the market to be this wild for this long. We have to trade wild markets, and we look for strategies to trade wild markets. And so some of these did well today, but we don't typically see this much chop and this much fighting against its overall market internal. And so we will see what the market holds. Working on additional research and other strategies and other methods and other combinations of strategies, but we've been here before, and we always know our portfolios will eventually have a worst case drawdown as volatility increases. And so we always want to start in a drawdown so you can buffer that and any trade errors, and then we adjust going forward. We get in on a drawdown, we ride that portfolio, and if it stops working, we adjust it. But we are in this place where we've been before, so we're sticking with it. And today the 200K portfolio was down about less than 2K. It's right around 2K. And the 200K and the 50K portfolio was down, let's see, it was down about 670. So down 670 on the 50K. So those are our most popular portfolio performance reports today. And so we are updating the portfolio calculator every day. Let us know if you can't get to that. I don't always get to upload it, but I can give you the latest results or upload it for you if you request it.